Hello, everyone. I finally made it out and I did a little bit of shopping, and I'm sharing with you today a shopping haul. Hope you enjoy. Hello, everyone. This is Lady T here. Tanya, if you didn't know, I am so glad to have you here on today. Today, of course, we are doing a shopping haul, and I just wanted to share with you a few items that I picked up just recently. I'm going to be refreshing my bathroom, and so I picked up a few items for that. And also, I picked up a few items for my office. I'm going to be refreshing that as well. And also, let's see. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, and also I picked up a few things for the tablescapes. And so I'm so excited about sharing this with you on today. But first of all, I want to say thank you for stopping by my channel. I want to thank you for your support. I want to thank you for those that are new here. I welcome you, and I hope that you enjoyed enough to subscribe and to hit the notification bell twice so that every time I upload a video, you are notified. Okay, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share and to like. Also give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Okay, I'm so glad to be here to share with you this content for this video. And so I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, all right. So what I did not mention was also I'm going to be redoing my complete um, renovation for my bedroom, my master bedroom. And so that's been a project that's been going on for the last, I want to say, year and a half, maybe 2 years. And so I'm excited about sharing that with you too. And I'm sharing that with you piece by piece. There's quite a few segments that I wanted to share with you, and I've already shared with you my dresser restoration. If you have not seen that video, I'll try to put an iCard up above as well, and also list it in my description box below. So if you want to see that, don't forget to check it out. Okay, and so with that being said, I wanted to share with you this item. I thought it was so cute and that it would be perfect for this time of the year. And of course, we all know that the Easter holiday is coming up, and some of us are decorating with, Easter eggs and Easter bunnies and all of that good stuff. And today I found a pillow that I thought would go very well with the color theme that I'm going to be, displaying in my master bedroom. And so I just want to show you that pillow. And that was the only item that I could find for my bedroom as of yet. If I find anything else, I of course will share that with you. But I just wanted to show you this pillow. Is that not the cutest thing? And they're all bunnies. I'm going to pull it up a little bit closer so that you can see. This color is a denim blue. It's not quite showing up like I would like for it to on camera, but it is a denim blue, and the rhinestones are silver color, silver and white. And so this is white and denim blue. All right. And I want to say the price was $19.99. Okay. Cutest little thing. I bought two of these, and so this is giving you a hint as to what color the master bedroom will be. Okay. All right. And so that's the first item. And so for my bathroom, I just picked up a few items, and just want to share those with you as well. And the theme in that room is also yellow. For those of you that have been with me for a while, you know that last year I had the theme yellow going through my whole household, and I'm going to continue with that on this year. Just going to change it up a bit and be able to show you, what you can do differently, when you decorate with the same color. So of course I just picked up a few things to enhance and to, help what I've already had. And so this is a collection of potpourri. I'm going to be using that in my bathroom. Okay, and probably in some other areas because I was able to pick up 2 of these and they were on clearance for $5. Okay, picked up 2 of these. I love these because they're great for decorating and it's a very inexpensive way to do so. So it's got some really nice items in here, so can't wait to display that. Okay, that is for my bedroom. I'm sorry, my bathroom. And also this item here, need to have some type of plant in there. And so this I picked up also. This was $14.99. Okay. And I just want to mention that, I did not pick up all of these all at once. I've been able to get out lately and I picked up things here and there, as I go along. And so this shopping haul is not, something that I, picked up for a while. And I forgot to mention that I picked up the pillow from HomeGoods as well as this. Okay. I'm sorry, Marshall's. Marshall's. Okay. Okay. And then, of course, to go with the yellow theme, picked up a soap dispenser. Okay. And this was $5.99. Of course, this was from HomeGoods. Okay, and I'm not sure if that's coming off, backwards, but it is $5.99. Okay, there we go. Okay, and that's it that I have for the bathroom so far. Okay, and for my tablescapes, of course, you guys know that I upload every Tuesday a tablescape, and anytime I see something out while I'm out, I like to pick it up. And if I'm inspired by a certain item, then I will, kind of do a tablescape, with that in mind. And so I just wanted to show you. Of course, the summertime will be coming up soon, and so I just wanted to show you some of the placemats that I'm going to be using. And this is one. Okay, and this is a set of 4 for $12.99. I've priced these, and they can be very, very expensive if you buy them from, different areas. But of course, I got this from HomeGoods. And this is a set of 4 placemats, and they're 15 inches round, of course. So, again, very, very pretty. This will be part of my rustic tablescape, okay? So, if you'd like to see how that turns out, don't forget to check me out on Tuesdays, all right? Okay, so, and the second item that I picked up for tablescape are rhinestone napkin rings. I think they are just gorgeous. Is that not pretty? And they're huge, guys. This is bigger than, it's almost bigger than the palm of my hand. And so they're really, really pretty. Let me see if I can take one out so that you can see. And these were $12.99. $12.99. Okay. It's still backwards. But anyway, let me just show you very quickly. Goodness. Look at that. Oh, I can't wait to do this tablescape, guys. See? It's huge. Very, very pretty. All right. And so that was it for my tablescapes. And also soon I will be sharing with you my office refresh. I needed to get some accessories for the for my office. For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that I am in the ministry with my husband, and I teach the women, and we also have a marriage ministry as well. And so I need to have things in order, and I am the one that keeps, all of the paperwork in order and things like that. And so I needed to have some extra accessories for my office. And I love the company Hazel and Russell, I think it is, or Russell or Hazel. Either way, I'll have that listed in the description box below. And I'm going to just show you some of the items that I picked up from that company as well. And that is, the first item is a acrylic signature punch. And it's Russell and Hazel, guys. Okay. Alrighty. So this is the product. And it's acrylic and gold. Now, if you know anything about me, I love acrylic. I just think it's so clean and sleek, and it just keeps my office neat, and it doesn't look so cluttered, you know, when I have things on top of the table. It's just really nice looking as far as I'm concerned. So it's Russell and Hazel, and it's clear. And I'm going to show you what that looks like out of the box. And this is very sturdy, very good quality. Here we go. And it's gold. It has a touch of gold on the inside there. I hope that light is not getting in your way there. Okay. Touch of gold. And that's what I'm going to be putting in my office this year, is a touch of gold. As you know, my office is all white and mirrored. But I wanted a touch of gold this year, and so this is what we're going to be working with as far as keeping notes. And a lot of times I like to write my notes down on copy paper, and I don't have a place to have, to put them. And so what I'll do with this is a hole puncher. And the hole puncher will make it necessary for me to put the papers in a notebook as opposed to just putting it in a folder. And so that's a little bit more my preference. And so I'm excited to use that. And I think it's pretty, it's functional, and that's great. And so also I picked up a calculator. And this calculator is acrylic and gold as well. It is really, really pretty. I have to show that to you. And so that's what it looks like on the box. And this is what it looks like out of the box. Very nice. Very, very pretty. And I use a calculator all the time. When I write out my bills and other things that I do, I like to use a calculator. I'm old school, y'all. I don't know about you all, but I like to use a calculator and make sure that I'm accurate with, my accounts and things like that. So again, this is the calculator. And I think, and really the camera is not really showing you how pretty it is, but it's really a nice looking calculator, and I'm so glad I purchased it. And so what I did not mention to you guys was the fact that Russell and Hazel has a 30% off sale. I don't know how long it's going to be on, but I wanted to get this up to you so that you may be able to check out this website, so that you would be able to order, some products from them as well. They have sales occasionally, not often, but occasionally. But when they have a 30% off sale, I like to purchase some things. And so if I don't have to pay full price, I'm not going to pay full price. I don't know about you, but that's how I shop. And so I wanted to make sure that, when I present these items to you, that you can get them on sale and not have to pay the full price. Okay. And then the last items from that company was a file box. And of course it's acrylic, and I wanted to show you that as well. And here it is. Okay. And I love this because it has the gold detail. And there's the name of the company, Russell and Hazel. Okay. Here we go. And I have 2 of these so that I can have all of my, files in order. And I like to sometimes have my files out so that I can have access to them quickly. So this is a great way to display, all of my files and have it look nice. So again, it's a beautiful piece, yet functional. And I appreciate that. So there you go. All right. And also I'm going to be redecorating my office as well, replacing some items. And you all know that I love, love, love Inspire Me Decor. And so I picked up a few items from there, and I'm going to be using that as well in my office. And the items that I'm going to be showing you doesn't necessarily have to be for an office. It can be for a bedroom, a dining room, a living room, any room that you desire to have it in, because it's functional, and it's what's the word I'm looking for? Okay, I'll figure it out in a minute. But I want to show you the items that I picked up from inspireme.com. Okay, and so this is the first. And of course, I'm going to use this as a floral display. I haven't yet decided the color yet, so more than likely it will probably be yellow. I have so much yellow that I need to display it. So more than likely it will probably be yellow and white. And so this is a small vase. And again, this is one of her newest items. And so I picked this up. I thought it was so pretty. And on it's not a small item, as you can tell. It's a nice size. Okay. All right. And sometimes she has sales as well, I'm not sure if she has it for more than 10%, but I for the most part, that's what I've used when I order from there. And so I'm excited to share with you the next product as well. And this is another vase, and I believe this is on the same line as the one that I just showed you. And so this is the second vase. Okay, and I actually have the smaller one to this as well, and this will probably go on one of my cabinets. Have not yet decided, if I was going to put any florals in it, because I think it's beautiful just the way that it is. All right, and so this is really, really pretty. And again, the camera is not really picking it up like I'm seeing it. It's just really a beautiful piece. And so, again, this is something else I wanted to share with you. Okay. And then the last item is just a basket that I have for, my plant that I'm going to be putting in my office as well. And so here we are. Okay. I have ordered a 6-foot plant to put in the corner of my office, and that is where it is going to sit in. And so so glad that I was able to share with you all of the items. And again, for Russell and Hazel, you might want to check them out quickly if you desire to order any of those products from there. And they have many other acrylic products as well. It can get expensive for some of the items that they have, but when you can catch 30% off, I think that's a great deal. So again, don't forget that I am going to be refreshing my guest bathroom, also my master bathroom, as well as my office, and also the tablescapes that will be coming up every Tuesday. I upload every Tuesday. And so I'm looking forward to sharing that content with you soon. And I hope that you have enjoyed this haul on today. And so again, thank you so much for stopping in. I hope that I was able to help you, with, maybe some of the products that you might be looking for. And if so, and you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and to hit the notification bell twice so that you are notified every time I upload. And again, thank you. I appreciate you for supporting this channel. And have a great day, everybody.